Hello. In this video, I will demonstrate a simple two-sided openwork knitting pattern perfect for beginners. It is performed equally on both sides. The pattern consists of 5 stitches and 1 row. It is made up of alternating sections of garter stitch and openwork, each consisting of 3 and 2 stitches, respectively. The garter stitch is worked by only knitting or only purling each row. I will make only knit stitches because it is more convenient for me as the thread is on my finger. If you knit with a thread around your neck, it will be more convenient for you to purl. On the first row after the edge loop, the repeat pattern is knit 3 stitches. Yarn over, and purl 2 stitches together. Knit 3 stitches. Yarn over, and purl 2 stitches together. Knit the edge loop through the back. At the beginning of the next row, slip it without knitting. Keep knitting the same pattern on the second row. I have presented you with a double-sided simple and gentle knit that is easy to do and has many uses. I highly recommend it. If you'd like to check out my knit creations and get them for yourself or as a gift, visit knitnotspace.com. I appreciate your presence. If you found the video helpful, please tap the like button. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and enable notifications so that you never miss a video. I hope you find inspiration for your next knitting project. Thank you for being a part of this, and I am excited to see you soon.